This video was 100% edited using AI. I want you to look at two things. First, the subtitles at the bottom of the screen, and then listen closely to the background music. All of this was added with AI. There was a bunch of dead silence in this clip originally, and AI cleaned and edited it all. Let me show you how you can do it for your own videos. First, head on over to youraiagent.com. Your AI Agent is a comprehensive business suite of AI agents, and one of the AI agents that we have is the AI Video Editor. So if you haven't signed up yet, enter your name and email address, password, and then click sign up. Once logged in, you're going to go to the home screen, and I'm going to give everybody a bunch of free trial credits to test this out. So on this home screen, you'll see all the AI agents that we have available. Take a quick look through all of these and see if any of them interest you. Can you use any of these for your own company to automate some tasks? But right at the top, you'll see AI video editing. So click start now. This agent got a brand new update. It's now much easier to upload your video, and it's much faster to edit it. So first click upload a file. I'm going to choose one from my computer. Give it a second here while it starts the process. You'll then see a progress bar on the screen. It's going to take longer the bigger the video. So this means it's ready to go. Now under video settings, we have two options. We have add subtitles and add music. More features are coming soon. I'm thinking auto zoom, zooming in and out like this keeps people engaged. You're gonna be adding more music options and more subtitle styles. And literally that is it. You uploaded a raw file, you chose subtitles or music, and then you click start agent. So on the workflows page, you can click on the info button and you can see the status of your video. You can check back here once it's ready, or you can wait for an email to your account email address. It takes about 10 to 20 minutes depending on your video size, but this saves you hours because you don't have to do it manually. You can go do your own thing, work on something else, and come back and your video will be ready. All we need is the raw file. So what's going on in the back end? First, the AI agent transcribes your video. It takes all of your spoken word and it spits out a script. We then send that script through AI for it to cleanse the script, hopefully removing all of your mistakes and all of your pointless babble. Then it auto cuts to remove the silences and the mistakes. So from like a 30-minute video file, it will cut that down to about 10 to 12 minutes. Then if you have this enabled, it will burn in your subtitle style. This is what you see at the bottom of the screen right now, and it's timed perfectly to the script. And then also if you choose it, it adds in background music. I've gone through the YouTube audio library and found all of the copyright-free music. It's a bunch of lo-fi beats, and it randomly selects a music so each of your videos sound different. We have a huge library of those type of songs. So what type of videos is this good for? Well, it's good for screen recordings, something like this. It's good for talking head videos, maybe even podcast style videos. It's good for tutorials. It's good for vlogs and many other video types. Now, because we use AI to edit videos, it's not going to be 100%. Expect about a 5% error rate, but the time saved in your video editing process, at least personally, I think it's worth it. All right, my video is ready to download, so I'm going to click on this link, and I get a private download link so I can save it to my computer and I can post it wherever I want. Again, this new AI agent is in beta and it's completely free to try out. If you sign up for an account at Your AI Agent, I'll give you some free credits. Let me know in the comments below, what features do you want added to this agent? I think AI video editing has a lot of potential and I want to see where this takes us. It saved me so much time and I want to save you time as well. So click the link below if you want to try it out for yourself. And if you have an idea for your own AI agent and want to turn it into a profitable web app, check out my online course, How to Build a Custom AI App. I'm going to drop a link to this in the description as well. And if you like this video, I put two more on the screen right now. Both have been catered to your personal YouTube watch history. Give one of them a click for me, give it a watch, and I'll see you in there. Peace.